Yo, what's up, It's your boy Lil Ya from UNLV, you with me? Welcome to the Be Real Podcast, Be Real 23 Podcast. Need y'all hit that like and subscribe button ASAP. Tell a friend, you with me? Check it out. Me and my little boys on our way to the barbershop. I just decided to let y'all in on it. You see how we roll, you heard me? Check it out. YaRicq. Oh yeah, y'all. That's YaRicq right there. It's my 9-year-old. Cool. He chilling. He like video games and all, not regular 9-year-olds. They offer the video stuff like that. He computers and he DJ. He just really start breakdancing and stuff like that. And this is YaChai. YaChai, where you at back there, dog?
Right there.
That's the little one of the bunch. That's YaChai. YaChai 4 about to be 5. He gets it in. He follows his big bro. He loves sports. He don't play the computer and the games as much as YaRicq does, but he gets it in. You know what I'm saying? They both love basketball as well. They on the basketball team. Good kids. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, we're on our way to the barbershop right now. Let y'all see how we rock, man. We just rolling. It's wild out here in Houston right now, man. The weather bad. We looking bad. Been stuck in for the last few days due to bad weather out here. Tornadoes and all kind of dumb shit went on. But we good, y'all. We good, you with me? God, what you doing back there? About to play what? Oh, all right. That's a toy car. Y'all gonna see the before and after. So look it up. Mad rough around the head. Shouts out to my barber P, man. Love in Houston, Texas. I got 2 online. My barber P and my man Tiny. Get you right. Got the north side and the south side of Houston. I got a barber on each side. You know what I'm saying? One of them just got a twist. YaRicq got a twist in his head. YaChai talking about he want braids. That's the little one. YaChai. Man. What you want? You say you want braids? You ain't gonna get them? Good. Change your mind? Okay. Up, change his mind. Yeah, I knew y'all thought I was gonna come on with an ep right quick. I leave the eps a little along the way. I'm just, building up my content, putting my station together. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate all y'all that been supporting me. Feeling the ups and the interviews as well. Throw my seat up, man. My seat cover. Man, little boy. You support me too, son? Thank you, bro. I love you, dog. Thanks for your support, man. I support you too. Where you at? I can't see you back there.
I'm right here.
Oh, okay. You support Daddy, man?
Yeah.
That's what's up, man. I love you, dog.
Love you too.
Daddy supports you too, bro. Everything you do, man, and everything you ever decide to do, Daddy gonna support you, yep?
Okay.
Alright. Your game working back there? What? What's going on with that? Huh? Oh, okay. For sure. Ready to go to the barber, dog? YaRicq. You gonna tell P about DJing? You gonna tell him how you like doing the DJ thing? I didn't know you was that good at it, man. You ain't even tell me about it. I had to find out the hard way. So what you like more, breakdancing or DJing? DJing? Yeah, I thought you would. You remember all them nights you used to sleep in the studio and be falling asleep in my studio when I be working? Remember P used to talk about that all the time?
I used to sleep in your...
That's where you picked it up from, I guess.
I used to sleep in your studio too, right?
Yup, you used to sleep in the studio too.
When I was 3 years old, I used to, right?
Yup.
Wait, you slept in the studio today, Kai?
Yeah, he sure did. Matter of fact,
When I was...
Kai snuck in the studio 5 o'clock this morning. When I got up to check the house, Kai got up out of his bed, got out his room, came in the studio, sat in the chair, got him some cover before he sat in the chair. Got him some cover, sat in the chair and dozed off. In the studio this morning, I'm looking at him.
Then he stole my Nintendo Switch, I noticed.
He stole your Nintendo Switch.
Yeah.
Both of y'all have Nintendo Switches.
I was making on him. When it was on the charger, he grabbed my Nintendo Switch and locked my dad did. And then when I woke up, it wasn't on there.
Oh.
I pranked the YaRicq.
You pranked him? What you did with his Nintendo Switch? Huh?
He was probably playing video games.
Yeah, probably so.
I was watching
Kai, little prankster. Kai love to prank you, YaRicq.
He was the dog with the flower.
That weather bad, man. I hope it stop raining for the weekend.
That's fine. He always plays.
Well, yeah. What's Spider-Man doing in the rain, Kai?
Let's go back to his house.
Just go back to his house?
Yeah.
Oh, he don't hang out in the rain, huh? Oh, Spider-Man got serious.
Only when
Oh,
he saves the world.
yeah? What? Why y'all tear up all my stuff, man? Y'all tear up my seat covers like this, bruh. That wasn't cool. Who did it? Who did it? YaRicq or YaChai?
You see what?
My seat covers, this right here.
That wasn't me. I've been to where I was.
Who done it?
Nobody.
Okay. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give me some
You
more.
was the only one in here.
I wasn't the only one in here, YaChai.
I've been towards them.
Okay. Well, I'll just get some more. And y'all make sure y'all don't tell them since y'all don't know who done it. Yup.
Wait, when you first probably got that car, I was sitting in the back seat, right? And then that Ben's worked.
Okay.
By me.
I believe you, y'all. You telling the truth this time.
And I was telling the truth because when you first got that car, I was sitting in the back, right? And then I saw something that was red.
I can't wait to get in this chair, boy. Lord, I need me a cup bag. Hey. I ain't but 2 days overdue.
Dad,
What?
see that place we went to?
What place we went to?
The Kids Empire.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was over there, huh? That's what
I was crying over. That's where what?
that's what Nee daughter had her birthday party, right?
I was crying over here when we went to fireworks on left, right there.
Yo.
So that's where it was closer to the birthday, right? Right there.
Yeah, yup, it was around there somewhere. You right.
But the fireworks,
You enjoyed the fireworks the other night?
yeah. I enjoyed it, but I kind of wanted to go home.
Why you wanted to go home, YaRicq?
Because I was tired.
Oh yeah, I was kind of tired too. We was out there too long, man. I think we went out there too early. If we would have went out there like maybe 8 o'clock, we would have been good. But we went out there like 7 o'clock, so we had to wait a whole hour, man. We were tired. What, Kai?
I wasn't even sleeping.
You wasn't sleeping, Kai?
No.
You full of energy. You a little kid and you got all kind of energy, bro. You know that? Yeah, you're a big boy, yeah. You're definitely a big boy. No, we ain't gonna get on a plane today, dog. Not today. You wanna go back on the plane, Kai? What about you, YaRicq? Soon, or you wanna wait a while before you go back?
Go back where?
On the plane.
Maybe
Soon? Maybe soon? It's life, yo. Daddy duties, man. Shit, you can't act. You what you mean for real, for real? Been doing this a long time too. A long time, but I love it. But guess what? These the last two. The youngest two, the last two, baby. I ain't got long before I could be like free. You wait me? I got grandkids, but you know grandkids and kids ain't the same. And your kids ain't the same, actually. You know what I'm saying? But it's the life, man. I love my kids, man. They my world, and they been my world. I hope, well, I'm going first. Oh, YaRicq. I can go first, and I'm going to let Kai go second, you go last. You want to go first, YaRicq?
On the airplane?
Not at MP in the barber chair, man. What?
What's for dinner?
Naja said she gonna cook pasta, shrimps, and chicken.
Oh my God.
So who going first? You going first, YaRicq. That's it. You going first.
Let me go first.
You wanna go first, Kai?
Mm-hmm.
All right, yeah, let you go first and get it over. YaRicq, you go second, I'll go last, dog. What you have to do on Saturday? Y'all have a basketball game this Saturday? I mean Friday? What about y'all, Kai? Do y'all have a games? What? What? You're talking too low, bruh. So was it what kind of shot you hit yesterday? YaRicq, a jumper? A layup?
A
A layup? What? You had 3 people sticking you and you still scored? It was a lucky shot? You good, man. You getting better, dog. You're gonna be great in a minute.
Well, when he was playing the game, he missed the shot.
You missed the shot too, Kyle?
Huh?
That's all right. You made it too, though.
But I was talking about YaRicq.
Yeah, YaRicq. I know you're talking about YaRicq.
Yeah.
You say he missed the shot?
Yeah.
Okay.
When he was playing the game, he missed the shot.
Oh. And he made the shot because his mama told me he made the shot too.
Then he made another shot. We're always guarded by
What? That's when the whole team went to giving you that? That must have been a fantastic shot, boy. Look, y'all, my phone about to die. Today, I wanted to show y'all how me and my dogs get down going to the barbershop. You with me? Just like and subscribe to my station. Tell a friend, you with me? Be back at y'all soon. Holla.